Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a rough sketch. So I'm going to start off with one big solid shape for the head. Then I'm going to draw a curved line going down just to show which way the head is facing. And then another line going across to show where the eyes will go. Okay, so now I'm going to add the features of the face, starting with the nose. And I think I'm just going to keep things simple and give him an L-shaped nose. And next I'm just going to draw the outline of the glasses. And I'm not actually going to bother drawing the shape of the eye itself behind the glasses. I'm just going to use these square shapes as eyes and then just draw the pupils inside of them. So now I'm going to draw the ear, the jaw, and then the side of the glasses. Then just a line for the mouth and then another smaller line underneath. And then two black dots for the pupils. Okay, so next is the eyebrows. And then just a rough sketch of the hair. And now I'm just going to draw the neck and shoulders. And that's the rough sketch done. So now I'm going to go over this with a darker pen. Okay, so for the frames of the glasses, you can either draw one solid black line, or you can use thinner lines and just draw the outline like this. And the good thing about doing it this way is that if you want to colour in the glasses later on, you can do that. And that's it, how to draw a cartoon character wearing glasses. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and if you're new, remember to subscribe.